Ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, in the name of Eco Astronomy Sri Lanka and all its team members, we are very humbled, honored, and grateful to all of you. Most of all, we are very motivated to give you all our best. For this reason, we have selected for you all an amazing lectures that we believe you're gonna enjoy it. As well, we have a very amazing, outstanding, unbelievable, fabulous, most of all devoted team of researchers and scientists that they are willing to share with you their knowledge. We are planning as well to make you discuss your thinking, your understanding during each lecture, during each session, so you can upgrade and update your knowledge. And this, we believe, will help all of us evolve spiritually and mentally speaking. In Eco Astronomy Sri Lanka, we believe that discussing knowledge is the best way to open up our brain for a new direction of thinking and way of creation, as well as an amazing way for innovation. With such respect and love, we can assure you that you will enjoy every single moment of every single lecture. There is an amount of excellent topics that we are going to address. We're going to talk about astronomy, astrology, archaeoastronomy. We're going to talk about history and its relation with astronomy. We are going to talk about planets, geology, stars, creation, and neurology, and human brain. We are going to talk humans as multi-planetarium species. Of course, we have with us excellent, talented scientists that they will share with us their talent when it comes to astrophotography, when it comes to nano satellites developments. Indeed, we are going to talk about life in Mars. Such wonderful lectures we are planning for you all. Most of all, we will be able to make an award ceremony in the end of these excellent lectures indeed. And you all going to pass an open book online exam in a way to ensure that you all have been understood the lectures and you have developed your own knowledge. I'm very glad, we are very glad by your presence with us, by your trust, and we are going to assure you that all of us, we are going to be a huge family. Stay tuned, you are going to like it.